Welcome back to Reset, Relearn, Reprogram. This week we discuss when techs talk tech. In this series, we address and discuss the top complaints automotive technicians have relating to their service advisors. In the world of auto repair, there are three key roles that work together to ensure the best possible outcome: the service advisor, the customer, and the technician. Service advisors are the frontline employees who communicate and advise customers about their vehicle's needs, while technicians are the skilled professionals who diagnose and repair problems. This ensures the customer's role of deciding is influenced and guided by being educated. While both the technicians' and service advisors' roles are critical to the success of an auto repair shop, there can sometimes be a gap in technical knowledge between service advisors and technicians. This gap can create challenges when it comes to effectively communicating the nature of repairs needed to customers or explaining why certain repairs are necessary. One common complaint that technicians have about service advisors is that they lack technical knowledge. Technicians may feel that service advisors don't fully understand the complexities of auto repair and maintenance and therefore can't effectively communicate the nature of repairs needed to customers. Service advisors feel like technicians are too technical and do not speak the customer's language. This can result in miscommunications or misunderstandings that can delay repairs or even result in the wrong repairs being performed. For example, a technician may identify a problem with a vehicle's suspension system that requires the replacement of a specific component. However, if the service advisor doesn't fully understand the technical details of the repair, they may not be able to accurately explain to the customer why the repair is necessary or what the expected outcome will be. This can lead to frustration and confusion for both the customer and the technician and may ultimately result in a loss of business for the auto repair shop. Another challenge that can arise when service advisors lack technical knowledge is the potential for upselling unnecessary services or repairs to customers. Without a clear understanding of what repairs are truly necessary, service advisors may be more likely to recommend additional services or repairs that aren't actually needed. This can lead to a breakdown in trust between the customer and the auto repair shop, which can have long-term negative consequences for the business. So what can be done to bridge the gap in technical knowledge between service advisors and technicians? One solution is to invest in ongoing training and development programs for service advisors. By providing regular training on technical topics and best practices for communicating with customers, service advisors can develop a better understanding of the technical aspects of auto repair and maintenance. This can help them to more effectively communicate with technicians and customers, leading to a better overall customer experience. Another solution is to encourage more collaboration and communication between service advisors and technicians. By fostering an environment where these two roles work together closely, auto repair shops can ensure that everyone has a clear understanding of what repairs are needed and why. This can help to prevent miscommunications and misunderstandings and can also help build stronger relationships between technicians and service advisors. In conclusion, the lack of technical knowledge among service advisors can create significant challenges for auto repair shops. However, by investing in ongoing training and development programs and fostering better collaboration and communication between service advisors and technicians, these challenges can be overcome. By doing so, auto repair shops can provide a better customer experience and build stronger, more successful businesses.
Thanks for joining us. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel, as well as follow our other platforms for valuable content to help your shop reach its greatest potential.